So we're going to do basically a shootout of MrMuDs versus AI. More importantly, Alibaba's AI feature and how well it integrates their whole website and search function to find stuff that you would need at a hobbyist level for maybe your ham radio or building solar projects or something like that. So let's get started. We're going to get out the old phone here. And you'll see there's a search on the top, and you can see what I've been searching for already. We also have AI mode. We're going to use AI mode, and we're going to be a little bit easy on the AI app right now. We're going to make something easy. So why don't we? I got a bunch of crap here. Why don't we try looking at some resistors? It's 1K ohm resistor. I know that because it's written on the book, right, or on the packaging. I know it's a 1K resistor. And before you guys get too ahead of me and all that, yeah, we could use other search engines for this, right? Yeah, of course. But that's not the idea. We're going to be trying something here. Let's go here. Let's take a picture with AI mode. Let's see if we can get detail enough. Depends on your camera. Oh, can I get up there close enough? Oh, we got a magnifying glass. Oh, it's not going to do nothing. Describe your needs. What size resistor is this? Okay, let's let it think. It might not be clear enough because I really didn't take a good picture of it. Now, it is a little slow, but it could be my internet connection or it's thinking. Analyzing this image. Okay, it's looking at the color code chart right now. Precise power. It's going to all. Now, the interesting part about this Alibaba AI search, it doesn't just focus on the website's materials. It actually outsources other spots. A great tool to see if you are buying something, right? Like if you're going to be going to a known supplier of electronics, you may be paying 10 times as much. You might be able to go straight to the factory. So what did I say this was? 1K, and sure enough, 1,000 ohms. It picked it up. Now, where to buy? Result. I want to buy this here. I don't want to go anywhere else. I'm doing this video for Alibaba. I want to promote them, and I want to see what their price is. So let's think about it. It's looking for the quarter watt resistor, direct links. Let's step it up a little bit. We have our parts here, and the very unfortunate thing happens where someone gets a hammer and accidentally smashes the crap out of your components with a hammer. Is it going to pick up what this part is? Well, let's find out. Let's go back into that. New chat. Always do new chat just to kind of clear its brain, just like anyone you're talking to. Okay, a new chat. Okay, find this part and give me links for this site. Okay. I want to buy, let's say under 10. We don't want to buy a bulk, and then we just want little things, right? The whole idea. Let's take a picture of this. I'll put it in my hand. The smashed capacitor. And we'll see how good this works for our electronic parts with a smashy part. Analyzing this. Okay, so it picked up the proper what it is, even though it was kind of smashed up. It's still legible. And it's going. Right, still searching. All right, there it is. I guess I didn't have to wait for it to finish searching. Good thing, because some other the AI engines I use, you can't interrupt them. You got to let them do their whole thing. This one you can actually seems to interrupt it. So if you see something on there come up right away, you don't have to wait for the whole thing to do it. Just click on it. So we got some here. Minimum order 10 pieces, 51 cents each. Let's start one final thing. We're going to be doing, let's do a little bit of ham radio stuff here. Another well-known YouTuber, you've probably seen him, HamJazz, with his rubbish antenna series. He has all sorts of rubbish, garbage bits and all that stuff. Can we actually screenshot one of his antennas and see if we could pull something out? Okay, we screenshotted out of HamJazz's video his blue rope that he's using as an antenna, and basically electric fence wire. Okay. Okay, welcome to AI mode. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna go in the album. We're gonna send this. I want this product from this site. All right, see how AI does with a screenshot from a YouTube build for an antenna on ham radio. I'm very curious to see if this has worked. There it is. Electric fence poly blue and white wire spool. Okay, it's looking. Now, how good would that be if your shopping app, Alibaba, could take a screenshot and order it for you? So you see something, hey, I like that, that's cool. And the guy didn't put any links on it or anything like that. You're watching something on TV, you take a picture of it. And right there, it gives you the best prices, because no one beats Alibaba's prices. I mean, you guys, come on. You've shopped around, if you're going to buy something, you can get for a great deal. Now, there is even the blue one. And there it is. We could buy it off the site. I didn't even have to go to Simon's stupid links and see where he's trying to sell it. I could get it all by myself using the AI app search function.
Get the app now. Click on screen or in the description below. And comment below what part would you need for your next project. And again, please like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.